What is the main difference between Energy Efficiency Directive and Energy Performance of Building Directive?
Okay, we need energy efficiency across the whole economy. We need it in industry, we need it in the energy supply sector, we need it in energy transmission, we need it in domestic settings as well. And the Energy Efficiency Directive covers the whole economy. But within that, the single biggest energy consuming sector is buildings, and their potential for energy savings is even bigger than their share of energy consumption. If we're going to have the world we want in 2050, we have to cut building consumption by at least 70%. And that means that we need as well specific rules for buildings, and they're in the Energy Performance of Buildings Directive. They give citizens the right for information about the building that they're buying or renting, and they make sure that when buildings are renovated, they're renovated to a high energy standard.
The next question will be, what kind of financial mechanisms should Serbia citizens expect as help if they build according to EU directives? Are mechanisms for financial, and in what measure are different for citizens and companies?
These will be matters for Serbia. There are no Europe-wide financial support systems for energy efficiency. It's also important to say that there are big private benefits from energy efficiency. We spend money, it's true, at the beginning, but within 2 or 3 or 4 years, we're making more savings than the money we've spent. Having said that, there will be opportunities for Serbia to use regional. If Serbia were a member of the European Union, there would be opportunities to use structural and cohesion money, regional money, to try to get energy efficiency projects moving. In addition, there are ways to put public money in alongside private banks, and there's more and more experimentation going on about how to do that in a way that overcomes some of the perceived risk of energy efficiency investment. Even in the industry, individuals need a lot of encouragement to go down this road, despite the benefits that they will gain. Surprisingly, the same thing is true of industry. Even though, in principle, industry is subject to very strong economic impulses, still the time horizon for energy efficiency investment in industry is very low. And there, too, we see some need for encouragement. But there, our policy is based on making sure that industry audit and industry understand what the opportunities are, because we think then that in a market economy, the people managing those firms will take up the opportunities.
What are the main problems, in your opinion?